Welcome back. So before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification if you haven't already. Really helps my channel and support my channel so it could grow and grow. So let's get into today's video. All right, guys. So I wasn't planning on doing this improv video, but I thought, well, why not? So I do always do an Easter basket, a small simple Easter basket for my husband. Ever since we honestly started dating way long ago. We actually started dating in 2006. So, and we got married in 2009. So I've always done a little Easter basket for him. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm throwing in there this year. Again, nothing crazy, just kind of simple. So let me just show you. I've always put his Easter stuff in this guy right here, which is like, you know, golden egg. And I used to hide it and tell him to look for it, but this year I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it in the basket so you can, you know, grab it. But I have this, and again, I've had it for years. It was $6 when I bought it, and I have no idea where I bought it from. I'm not lying to you guys. I don't remember. Okay, so again, I only bought a couple things. So I did get him 4 of these. He absolutely loves the show, The Office. There you go. And it basically has like all these characters. So I got him 4 of these. My husband is a big child, so he actually collects a lot of Funkos and action figures. He has a full room dedicated to it. So I thought this would be really cool. I got 4 again, and I got those on Amazon, and they were on sale. So yeah, I did get him some snacks. He's not a big sweet person, so I got him these. And the rest, oh, these 2 I got at the dollar store. So I got this guy at the dollar store. Again, he's a big kid, so he loves things like this. And then I also got him a harmonica, because him and my daughter be, you know, making up their own little band. All right, and then the rest I got in Temu. So I got him, I'm gonna show you guys on the screen. I got him like a Star Wars kind of picture thing for the wall for his basement. Down there is the man cave, so I got it for him to see. Maybe he wanted to put it somewhere. It's very affordable, so hopefully he'll find a place for that. He absolutely loves Star Wars, so I got him this little it's like a music box. I haven't even seen, oh come on, there, I haven't even seen how it works, but it's really cute. They actually have these in a lot of other things as well, but they are really adorable. Let's see what it sounds like. I always thought this sound is creepy. Oh, maybe I should open it. What does it say? May the force be with you. And it doesn't have anything inside, but I thought it was cute. It's really adorable. So I got him that. I got him this. Just because I thought it was funny, to be honest with you. Yeah, that was funny. And then the last, oh no, second to last thing I got is this is so okay. So it's supposed to be like a washing machine thing. So it's basically like instead of him manually washing the stuff that he buys and resells, he can actually put this like in a little tub, and it will actually wash it. So it's like a portable washing machine, which I thought was awesome, and I think he'll really like that. And then the last thing I got is a little keychain, and it says, to my love, never forget that I love you. Sometimes it's hard to find words to tell you how much, what, I kind of want to cry, how much it means to me. If I did anything right in my life, it was when I gave my heart to you. You are my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. Ooh, wanna cry. But yeah, I got him this. I just thought it was really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put his together. So I don't even know how I'm doing this yet, but I did have this Dollar Tree basket, and I put that and it didn't fit. So I improv to an older basket that I had downstairs, which is this one. And again, I don't remember where I got it, guys. I don't know if I think they gave this to her, to Gia, last year, and has little bunny things in the back. So I think I'm gonna put it in here. So I'm gonna actually put this guy at the bottom, I think. Yeah, so let's see. So I do want to fill the actual egg up with as much as I possibly can. So I think I'm gonna put one in there, and I'm gonna put these at the bottom. So they're gonna kind of hold up, you know, the egg itself. I'm gonna put it like that in the egg. So then I'm gonna put the egg on top. Okay, as you see, it has that there. All right, so I'm gonna put the egg right in there. Actually, that does not look bad at all. Set this a little in there. It's fine. Oh, that's cute. I like that. All right, so that is my husband's very, very simple Easter basket. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys what my mom got my daughter. There is some things in here that I actually told her to purchase, just because I thought they were cute. So let me go ahead and show you first. So this is what I actually told her to get. So I told her to get this little like Mickey Jr. little eggs. So they're surprise eggs, and they have a mini Mickey Mouse figure. I got this on Amazon. Well, I told her to get this on Amazon. I thought they would be perfect for her since she loves like the little figures. So that's gonna go in there. I'm gonna take everything I think out of the box so it could be cuter. My mom actually picked this out, which is really cute. I didn't even really look at it, but it is for the shower, the bath, which I'm actually excited to see if she likes playing with this. She has been needing some new toys for the shower for sure. And then I did tell my mom to pick this up as well. Actually, the next 2 things I told my mom to pick up. It is some little Encanto dolls. So I've been looking for some. You see my face? I've been looking for some for Encanto for a while. She loves Encanto, so I'm actually gonna take those little teeny tiny pieces, and I'm actually gonna like put them away, because even though she doesn't put things in her mouth, I still want to make sure she should put it in her mouth, right? But yeah, so she loves the little figures like that, and when she watches it, she actually holds it up and is so cute and excited. So this actually my mom did get. She actually got these headphones for her, and they're like Encanto themed. Let's see, I feel like my camera's having a hard time focusing today. But yeah, this will be great for next year when we do plan to go to Disney, try to go to Disney again. So her basket, it's really Encanto and Frozen theme. All right, so let me show you the other thing I told my mom to purchase. Again, every time we actually go to Target, she actually looks at it and she always says Olaf. So told me I'm gonna pick up this guy, and I'm gonna have to take this stuff out of the packaging in order to fit it nicely into a basket. But she got her this set, which I think is so cute and perfect for her size. Yeah, and then my mom got her a bunch of stickers, which I'm so happy she did because my daughter loves stickers. So she got these at Walmart, I believe. So she got this one, I said it like that. This one. This one. This one's really cute. And this one. Again, my daughter loves stickers. She did want to get her a little doll, so she got her this little one. So freaking cute. She's probably gonna be so happy when she sees that. And then she did pick out this Easter basket, which is really cute. I'm gonna try to fit it all in actually this one, which I got at Target for $10, and I'm gonna put her name on it. But honestly, this is gonna be come in big handy because she actually has a basket right now in our living room where she puts all her like little people and all her little animals and like little figures that she loves playing with. So I think this will be great for that, to put that in there and switch it out with the other one that we have, which is actually in a last year Easter basket. So let's go ahead and fill this one up and take stuff out. I did forget to mention, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but my mind is like thinking right now. So my mom did give her these. They did have candy in it, guys, and I took them out because I don't want to give her candy. So I don't know if I'm gonna use these. I might not. I might hold off until next year for that. But I actually have some jumbo eggs that I actually think these might fit in. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so let's get into how I am going to set this up. I did have to take out like a plastic. Make sure you guys there. The plastic, it has a plastic, so I'm gonna have to take all those out. But oh, I think I'm gonna take that off too, so that it won't be so much work for her. But yeah, so here is one of the little guys that come in there. I'm gonna take all these out of the packaging so you guys can see them. Okay, so they do actually fit in these. I got obviously the biggest one, which is Louisa, so they fit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I took everything out of the packaging, and then I put this little box thing that I have down here just to see if I can kind of, like, you know, make it hold something. So it could kind of look a little bit more cohesive. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed, right? That thing there again. Let's see. It doesn't completely have to show the basket. I just wanted it to peek through a little bit. Okay. Oh, it has to be on the other side. And then the stickers. See, like it's not even really matter because it's not really going to show. Maybe I just put it here. Kind of get a bit more of holding it up. Where are you going? Okay. I actually don't hate it, so that is my daughter's Easter basket for my mom. All right, guys, that is my daughter's Easter basket from my mom and my husband's Easter basket from me and my daughter. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.